Welcome everyone to this evening with Lost and Found under the beautiful gazebo here. We've been in Vasant Kunj almost from February under this gazebo with lots of things. Theatre, music, dance, stories, poetry. But today is a really special day. And we have poetry and flute this evening, and they're going to build a mystery which we don't know. Our poet is Ankita Anand. She's also a theatre actor. And she happened to send us her poetry and was very keen to share her poetry with us. And then we found Nitya from our audience in Vasant Kunj. She's from the neighborhood. We didn't know about her. She would come and join our festivity here almost every week, and one fine day we found out that she was a flautist. So Malika and me thought we'll just bunk them together and let them figure out what they want to share. So I won't take much of your time. We'll go ahead and listen to what they have to share, and through the journey we'll know more about them, their work and the process. Okay, we also have a book. Anyone who's new, we'll pass it around. Please put your names, numbers, how you got to know about this. So we have your information and we can send invites for anything that comes up. Also we have a basket which has the brochures of Lost and Found. Anyone who doesn't know who we are, you can pick them up and take them home. And we have mosquito repellents, so please feel free to use them. We have a few of these fans, so share, keep rotating it, and enjoy the evening, become part of it. Thank you so much. Over to Nitya and Ankita.
I think we'll start and we'll talk as Metamorphosis. Politicians double up as salons. Politicians double up as salons, offering makeovers. Politicians double up as salons, offering makeovers. Makeovers? Anyone? If today you ask a city its name, it will look into your eyes seductively and ask, what do you want it to be? What do you want it to be? What do you want it to be? I could be Shanghai. Or are you in the mood for Singapore? What do you want it to be? And though you know that while the grass on your side is burnt or stunted, none grows on the other side. You will allow yourself to be coiled up and swallowed. What do you want it to be? London? New York? You will want to take this one decision. When the pretense that you are the one taking the decision. You want to do away with the stressful delusion of being in control. Knowing you are the one being kept in control. What do you want it to be then? What do you want it to be? Beijing? Paris? You'll give in gratefully. In that most vulnerable moment in the day, when you're shivering. Anywhere but here. Anywhere but here. Anywhere but here. Vaccination. Let some torment happen. A friend presents. When they look out their windows. A cure to my writer's block. Let some torment happen, a friend prescribed. A cure to my writer's block. Is still new to the metropolis. Still with back of beyond small town hangovers. And I'm sympathetic that he doesn't understand. He doesn't understand. Where the restlessness of our narrow gullies finds respite. As we breathe in the wintry air locked inside its cinema screen, lulling ourselves. He's new to the metropolis and still with back of beyond small town hangovers. I'm extremely sympathetic that he doesn't understand. Now this is not the age of 3-day fevers. When you are left to feel breathless delirium. When you are left to feel breathless delirium. When your grandmother brought you your steel plate of food, your name reassuringly etched on it, and went back to the kitchen, at which you treated her with the silence of the betrayed upon returning, for having left you in the first place, at which she frowned. Frowned and said she had other chores, other people to attend to. अच्छा भैया, आप कहते हैं तो मान लेती हूँ। इस बार शायद संतरे हर जगह ही महंगे हैं। She frowned and said she had other chores, other people to attend to, leaving you sheepish with her impatience at the nobility of your tragedy. When work relented a bit, she would come back to run calloused hands over you and cook something you liked. But this is a now with no relation to the then. The then when your grandfather came and spoke gently while he touched your forehead and announced your temperature without the tedium of a thermometer. In a manner quite distinct from when he asked you to translate long Hindi sentences into English. क्या गजब की बात है कि जिंदा हूँ. What a stroke of luck to be alive in this day and age. And you left your head hanging at the end of your bed, inviting a blood rush of all the stained demons on the wall. As you pick the first song in your head, फिर उनमें रहने वाले ख्वाहिश करते हैं कि उनकी आंखों के सामने हरितिमा बिछी रहे। As you pick the first song in your head and sang it in a tone that was also a letting out of a little agony and a lot of honoring. So it hung about in the room long after you had stopped. An awkward guest, unsure of its place on the way out. Like the watery dal trail that started in the kitchen and ended in your room. Because of the steel plate of food carried by wobbly hands and knobbly knees. So much we witnessed. So little we respond to. The trick is not to take these things personally. This is not the age of 3-day fever. This is the age when you get vaccines for all the fevers of the season. This is not the time for those days and those times to wallow in glorified nostalgia for a not completely uncontested past. Today, my friends, I intend to tell you. It's the age of no matter what, get up, dress up and show up. State of business. Keep running around in circles. Keep running around in circles. This is the day of no matter what. Get up, dress up and show up. Status messages. This is when you get vaccines for all the fevers of the season. It's not a 3-day leave to watch a fever die of boredom. That privilege is to be saved for a resort holiday or an emergency. So pill popping readies you. Dust the limp pillow you've become and starches you. For your desk where you sit proud of your victory. With a stiff approving nod for the figure in the chair who sips coffee but keeps her eyes trained on the screen. Alert not to waste a single lazy moment. So no, I can't just let the torment happen. When there's senior citizens to look after. When there's senior citizens to look after, when freelancing can't be allowed to crumble into indiscipline. When neighbors have to be tackled over parking lot tug of war. gaze has to be returned to leery eyes. So no, I can't just let the torment happen. At the first sign of it, torment has to be tackled head on, demolished through immunized determination. One doesn't just let it happen, one readies against it, prevention being better than cure. The cure for a writer's block can be sought through a creative writing program or what have you, not through inviting another malady called torment. This is the vaccinated age, where the pill wins over the pill. The pill over the will.
short break now and tell you a little bit about how we met and how we worked on this collaboration. First, we have to thank Lost and Found because they're the ones who put us in touch. 3 weeks ago, we didn't know each other. We had never met, and I'd never read her poetry. She had never heard me play. So we met about 2.5 weeks ago, and I was very moved by what I read. And she also, when she first heard me play, she said, "Oh, I don't want to speak and spoil it. I think I'll spoil it by reading." So then we said, "No, we'll work on something so it doesn't seem like that." I don't think she feels that way now.
Yeah, because both of us were working in isolation, and I don't think I thought that we would be coming together like this when I sent my poetry to Lost and Found. I don't know how they thought of us together, but it's really good. It's sort of a dream to find your ideal team and be really comfortable with each other. And I felt very flattered that poetry, which is often seen as this dry, abstract thing there, would be adorned with her music. So I was very excited.
But the challenges didn't end there because Ankita had to travel to Bangalore for about 1 week out of the 2 that we have known each other. Before that, she had to go somewhere else for about 3 days. So we worked on this a lot on Skype and Google Docs, and we came up with this whole thing. And we haven't had that much practice actually, but it's thanks to the internet, I think, that we're here before you today. Otherwise, and I think what was interesting was none of us were fazed by that. So when she said, "Oh, I have to go and I don't know when I'll be back. I'll be back by the show." So I said, "No, it's okay. We'll work it out. We'll figure out what to do." And I think for a few days we tried and our timings didn't match. We would keep missing each other, and then both of us started getting nervous. And finally it worked out. I think it worked out. So that's a little bit about how we met, and I hope we get many more occasions to work on this.
Yeah.
This is just the beginning, really.
Depending on the feedback you give them after.
It's a great beginning.
Thank you.
You made a wonderful thing. Which is the people are made for each other.
So anyway, thank you Lost and Found for bringing us together. Actually, thank you. Yeah, Lost and Found. And thank you everybody for coming. We really appreciate it. And, I think we'll continue. We have so one of the things when Ankita first showed me her poetry, and I saw some of it, and then I noticed she speaks very good Hindi. So I said, "Would you write in Hindi also?" So she said, "Yeah, I do." I said, "Oh, let's put that also in. Let's find a way." And I found out she has translations of her Hindi poems into English, so I got even more excited. So let's put them both together. So, because the interesting thing and what Ankita also noticed and pointed out was that we tend to use these two languages together and we don't even separate them. And we're used to hearing them together. So when we read it or when we hear it, we don't even notice that it's different. What we understand. So it's kind of a reflection of how we speak and how we think. So let's start with the translation portion of this.
One thing I wanted to ask, kind of poetry is that she is, the raga that you are playing, is there any connection with it? Have you worked on that?
Yes,
The emotions that she is bringing out and the things that you are playing.
part of it is intuitive and partly, well, I don't know for those of you who might have noticed the first.
Because we know nothing about ragas.
Yeah, so I'll explain this to you. So the first poem that she read out was about politicians and cities. And the first raga I played is called Rag Desh, which is Vande
No,
Mataram.
not tragedy.
So that
About
I thought is an interesting. So now that I'm explaining it, I think you'll maybe appreciate it better.
That was reflected.
So Desh is also the rag of Vande Mataram and a lot of our patriotic songs. And Desh means nation, country. So that was a conscious choice. But apart from that, it's more intuitive.
Can also help that we also think in a similar way about a lot of things. Because I was telling her I'm completely handicapped when it comes to music. I can't tell you how about using that raga or tihai. They're just words to me. So how would we communicate when I want you to stop at a certain place? And she said it's okay, we'll figure it out. And I think through that intuition and through shared understanding of a lot of things that we believe in, we took cue from each other and tried to.
So this is, as much as we worked on this, we've also had to get to know each other a lot, like crash course in getting to know each other.
We broke bread together.
So we spent a lot of time, because what finally you see in front of you is a reflection of our relationship. It's not, because a lot of this is not planned, what I'm playing and how she's saying it. We've done this a few times, but it's like I've never heard her say it like this before, or she's never heard me play these particular notes with it. So that also, there's a lot more that goes into it than just what you see. So that was an interesting learning process.
bystanders. क्या गजब की बात है कि जिंदा हूं। गाड़ी के नीचे नहीं आई, दंगों ने खात्मा नहीं किया, बलात्कार नहीं हुआ। क्या गजब की बात है कि जिंदा हूं, गाड़ी के नीचे नहीं आई, दंगों ने खात्मा नहीं किया, बलात्कार भी नहीं हुआ। बस मामूली चोट खरोच, नोच खसोट लेकर निकल ली पतली गली से। What a stroke of luck to be alive in this day and age, and never having got under a car, killed in a ride, raped. अपने अपने भाग्य की बात है। अब मेरे पिछले जन्म की पुण्य ही तो होंगे जो शिकारियों की नजर में नहीं आए, उनसे नजर नहीं मिलाई। I must have done something right in the past birth to have successfully avoided the hunters. Avoided meeting their eye. उनसे नजर नहीं मिलाई, उनसे नजर नहीं मिलाई। जाने कौन से जन्म का पाप। क्या सजा इसी बारी में मिल जाएगी? मल्टीप्लेक्स, जहां हमारी तंग गलियों की छटपटाहट राहत पाती है, जिसकी सिनेमा स्क्रीन में कैद बर्फीली हवा में हम सांस लेते हैं, खुद को फुसलाते हुए। Where the restlessness of our narrow gullies finds respite. As we breathe in the wintry air locked inside the cinema screen, lulling ourselves. खुद को फुसलाते हुए, बहलाते हुए कि हाँ, ये पहली दुनिया की दिक्कतें उतनी ही हमारी भी हैं कि आटा दाल धर्म से ऊपर हम भी किसी गरिमामयी भावपूर्ण दुनिया का हिस्सा हैं। Lulling ourselves into believing that we too, residents of the third world, struggle with the same doubts and dilemmas of the first world. That beyond scarcity and less religion, we too are part of the subtle nuances combines sentiment and existentialism. Deconstructing nature, प्रकृति का सृजन। बरगद के पेड़ ने खूब लांछन सही। बरगद के पेड़ ने खूब लांछन सहे कि वो नई पौध को उगने नहीं देता। The banyan tree has often been accused of blocking new shoots from taking root. पर क्या देखा है? कभी चाय की झाड़ियां भी समूचा जंगल निकल जाती हैं। आदिकाल से उनमें रह रहे वासियों के साथ। Innocuous tea bushes follow an entire jungle, along with those who called it home for centuries. चीड़ को नतमस्तक होना पड़ता है। चीड़ को नतमस्तक होना पड़ता है बंजर मैदानों के आगे, जिसमें सिर्फ बोनसाई बंगलों की खेती होती है। Majestic peaks find themselves bowing to barren fields, where bonsai bungalows are reared. फिर उनमें रहने वाले ख्वाहिश करते हैं कि खिड़की के साथ कुर्सी लगा जब वे चाय पी रहे हों, तो उनकी आंखों के सामने हरितिमा बिछी रहे। The residents then wish for green leaves. Then they look out their windows sipping chamomile. और तब उनके लिए एक विस्तृत वाटिका और एक लघु वन का निर्माण किया जाता है। An elaborate garden and a mini forest is then constructed for them. संतरे हर जगह ही महंगे हैं। अच्छा भैया, आप कहते हैं तो मान लेती हूँ। Oranges are expensive all around this year. the fruit seller said this, I quietly accepted his price. नहीं, ऐसी निरी नहीं कि शक ना आया हो मन में, ऐसी निरी नहीं कि शक ना आया हो मन में, पर ठगे जाने का डर गौण था। विश्वास करने की क्षमता को खो देने के भय के सामने। I'm not so naive that I wasn't infected with a glimmer of suspicion. I was. But my apprehension about being duped, was negligible. When faced with losing my ability to trust. अच्छा भैया, आप कहते हैं तो मान लेती हूँ। इस बार शायद संतरे हर जगह ही महंगे हो। Calling this evening or the theme, what do you want it to be? Because we both are migrants to this city, and I had never clubbed my poems according to a theme, but for this I was asked to think about what do I want to evoke. क्योंकि एक कविता मैंने भेजी थी और हमें इतना लंबा प्रोग्राम करना था, तो उसमें और कविताएं जोड़नी थी, तो और एक थीम को भी ध्यान में रखना था। तो हम दोनों ने महसूस किया कि इस शहर में आकर हम क्या महसूस करते हैं, खासकर दिल्ली में नहीं लेकिन एक बड़े शहर में, और एक जो आपके पुराने शहर की याद होती है। और ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं कि सब कुछ अतीत का अच्छा ही होता है, कुछ बुरा भी होता है, अच्छा होता है, पर आपके साथ चलता है। तो वो चीज़ है जो हम बार बार जब हम इस शहर को देखते हैं तो वो एक पास्ट और प्रेजेंट का हमेशा एक कॉन्फ्लुएंस होता है, और सब सोचना पड़ता है कि हम पिछला क्या है जो अपने साथ रखना चाहते हैं, किसको छोड़ देने में समझदारी है। तो उस विषय के आसपास हमने इसको पूरा एक साथ बांधने की कोशिश की।
We also noticed that if you notice the effect produced by this instrument and the effect produced by Ankita's poetry are very different. She's looking for a different thing, and this instrument itself is, it's associated with spirituality, and we think we have a certain image of this instrument. It comes with a lot of cultural baggage and
मतलब ये आटा दाल और वो फाइन सेंटिमेंट एंड एग्जिस्टेंशियल।
So, it's not an obvious choice to pair these two, this type of poetry and this type of instrument together. But we said, why not? Because it reflects so much of what's happening around us. If we look at what's common between poetry and music, however different it is, it all comes from sound. And if we want to see what's common, we can see it. But if we choose to look at the differences, there are many differences here. Where, if we had chosen to look at that, then this would never have come together. So it was a good lesson for us as well.
And I want to say something about Nitya. When I was telling my partner, he's here critically appraising me. So I was telling him that I'm going to be paired up with a flautist and it's going to be a different thing. So he said, so are you now going to put some rhyme and meter into your program? Because he says जब वो पढ़ता है तो बोलता है इसमें ना तो rhyme है ना वो है ना ही कोई लाइन लंबी है कोई छोटी है। तो एक तो ठीक है कि आजकल ये फैशन है कि आप राइम और मीटर नहीं ऑब्जर्व करते, बट कभी कभी वाकई में कुछ लाइन अटपटी हो जाती है, आप भावना में बह के लिख रहे हैं और कुछ सेंटेंस कंस्ट्रक्शन अच्छा नहीं बन रहा है। सो नित्या ऑल्सो एक्टेड एज द पोएट्री एडिटर। शी इंसर्टेड दीज लाइन्स जो आपने बीच बीच में सुना दूसरे पोएम का इन्फ्लुएंस वो नित्या ने किया, और जो लाइन ज़्यादा लंबी है और जा नहीं रही है उसके हिंदी के साथ अच्छी नहीं बैठ रही है, उसको उसने एडिट किया।
She gave me a free hand. She gave it all and she said, okay, do whatever you want. I did whatever I wanted.
एक मिनट।
Lavani. क्या करोगे नहीं पढ़ोगे तो? क्या करोगे? फेल होके स्कूल से नाम कट जाएगा, फिर बैठे रहना चरवाहा विद्यालय में। हम डर गए और थोड़ा पढ़ लिए। अब कोई और चलाता है रिक्शा, कोई और बैठे रहता है चरवाहा विद्यालय में। Why do friends get upset if they learn you've seen their messages but did not respond?
One would think you must have got used to it by now.
Isn't it? After all, there's so much to witness. So little we respond to. The trick is not to take these things personally. take of saying
Centers around,
and not,
centers on,
which is why we keep running
around, and around,
in
and
circles.
around.
Which is why we keep running around in circles. We keep running around in circles. Running around in circles, politicians double up as the laws offering makeovers. If today you ask a city's name, it will look into your eyes seductively and ask, what do you want it to be? What do you want it to be? What do you want it to be? The trick is not to take these things personally. What do you want it to be? What do you want it to be? This is not the age of 3-day fever. हम डर गए पढ़ लिए. Keep running around in circles. खुद को फुसलाते हुए. Losing my ability to trust. So little we respond to. मुझसे नजर नहीं मिलाई. You are the one being kept in control. The pill or the will. What do you want it to be? 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 What do you want it to be?
Ankita and Nitya, please give your We're going to take 2-3 more minutes. आप लोग बहुत पेशेंटली बैठ के सुने 2-3 मिनट और हमारी बात सुन लीजिए. First of all, I want to say I've been noticing what a dedicated, quiet and attentive audience you are. ऐसी audience तो ढूंढ के भी मिलती है. To think that this has happened in the middle of a park is even more commendable. Usually ये किसी कोने में, किसी कमरे में, बेसमेंट में, एक छोटी जगह में, क्लोज जगह में ऐसा माहौल बन जाता है. लेकिन पिछली बार जब हम यहाँ थे तो माहौल कुछ और ही था. जो लोग यहाँ पे थे, ओडिसी चल रहा था, लोग किसी और ही मूड में थे. और आज इतना क्वाइट, इतना सटल इवनिंग. एंड इट्स अमेजिंग हाउ एवरी इवनिंग दिस gazebo, this neighborhood is able to transform, is able to experience something completely different, completely new. And what's even more special today is that not only have we experienced it through poetry, but we have experienced it through one of your own residents, one of your neighbors, and that's Nitya. Why this is important is because हम फरवरी में यहाँ पे आना शुरू हुए थे गजीबो में. उससे पहले हम कम्युनिटी सेंटर में गए थे, इन सब हुआ था. और गजीबो में जब हम आना शुरू हुए थे तो नित्या और नित्या की मम्मी चित्रा हमारे हर इवेंट पे आई है। 5 महीनों में 17 इवेंट हुए हैं यहाँ पे। कभी स्टोरीज हुई हैं, कभी पोएम्स हुई हैं, कभी म्यूजिक, कभी डांस, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई हैं। बहुत ही डिफरेंट टाइप्स के यहाँ पे एक्सपीरियंसेस हुए हैं। और अब हम उस स्टेज पे पहुँच गए हैं जब बसंत कुंज के लोगों में से जो छुपे हुए आर्टिस्ट हैं वो सब हमारे सामने आ रहे। इस हफ्ते ये था, अगले हफ्ते एक और कंटेम्प्रेरी डांस और थिएटर की परफॉर्मेंस है, इसके अगले हफ्ते कुछ और है। वी हैव अ पैक्ड सीजन, वी आर फुल विद थिंग्स दैट वी आर गोइंग टू ब्रिंग हियर। बट देयर इज a new thing we want to throw in the mix today, and we want to tell you that we want to launch today a community donor program. We believe very strongly कि ये जो इनिशिएटिव है ये आप लोगों के योगदान के बिना आगे नहीं जा सकता। It's a bit absurd for us to keep trying to raise funds from a third party to make this happen between you. I think the community in Basant Kunj is very capable of funding its own arts activity. Unfortunately, अगर हर चीज लव एंड फ्रेश एयर पे चलती तो किसी चीज की जरूरत ही नहीं होती, चलते आता, you know. और the truth is that a lot of art and artists in this city thrive because of passion and because of love and fresh air. But love and fresh air से ना ये लाइटें आती हैं, ना ब्रोशर छपते हैं, ना आर्टिस्ट की फीस आती है, और ना एक्चुअली ये इवेंट बार बार हो पाता है। So today we have with us brochures, a new kind of brochure with which you get a badge. And we ask you to take a look at this community donor program. And we ask you to become our partners. And we ask you to fund your own cultural activity and say, you know what? We don't need sponsors, funders. We have artists, we have space, we have the ability within this own community to make this happen every week. Next season and the season after that and many seasons after that. We're not asking for any commitments right now. All we are saying is, if you think there's any truth in what I'm saying, if you think there's any possibility in what I'm saying, अगर ये लगता है कि ये हो सकता है यार, करके देखें, सोच के देखें, तो ये आप एक ब्रोशर और फ्री का बैज उठाएं, पढ़ें। और अगर आपके पास कोई भी चीज़ हो हमें बताने के लिए, इसके बारे में बताएं। If you want to make a contribution, please do. If you want to tell somebody else, please do. If there is something that you want to say that's not in this brochure, please tell us. There is all telephone number, information, contact details, everything. And most importantly, in spite of launching this, we will also float our magic basket at the end of this evening. I don't think I need to explain any further why it is important for everyone to put something in this basket. कितना डालते हैं ये कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, पर डालते हैं ये जरूरी है, क्योंकि इससे आप लोग अपनी अप्रिसिएशन इनके काम की तरफ और एक्चुअली अपनी प्रेजेंस की तरफ आप उस अप्रिसिएशन को मार्क करते हैं। इस बास्केट को हम यहाँ छोड़ देंगे, खाली है। जब सब लोग चले जाएंगे तब हम देखेंगे इसके अंदर क्या हुआ। अपने आप ईमेल एड्रेसेस, फ़ोन नंबर्स उस बुक में छोड़ सकते हैं अगर आप हमारी मेलिंग लिस्ट और व्हाट्सएप ब्रॉडकास्ट ग्रुप पे नहीं है। ज़्यादा तंग नहीं करते हम लोगों को। और आखिर में प्लीज़ बी इन टच। वी हैव इवेंट्स एवरी वीकेंड हियर इन दिस स्पेस दिस मंथ। एंड लास्टली, प्लीज़ गिव अ बिग हैंड टू अंकिता एंड नित्या। Thank you very much.
You should also pass that around.
और पास